Good morning, dear students. In our previous class in GK, we were studying about the geographical maze world game. Okay, till chapter number 31 we completed. Now let's go further. That is chapter number 32, world superlatives. Okay, now in this chapter you have to identify the natural resources as well as the which one is the smallest city, which one is the smallest country and biggest country, most popular country, then some of the places which are very famous across the world, such as McDonald's. Okay, who has invented कि मैकडोनल्ड्स कौन लाया, who is the owner, and Greenland. Okay, now this is the filling the blanks kind of exercise. You have to fill the missing letters, which is already given in the chapter number 32. 1 to 10 questions are there. Okay, now let's go further. That is 33, Indian handicrafts. As you all know, we are living in a diverse country. According to the culture, we have varieties of things like caste, religion, and tradition, etc. According to the religion and culture and tradition, we have different festivals. Okay, and all have the special kind of varieties, right? For example, there are very famous the Patna Patoda. Okay, this is the Indian handicrafts. That patoda is made up by the hands. Okay, so these are the such handicrafts. It means what? These such things which are made by using the hands, not machines. Okay, for example, carpenter की जो चीज़ है, that we are making the cupboard and table and furniture with the help of hand. Okay, if we are doing this certain kind of embroidery work on cloth, so that is also called as the handicraft. So it is a work of active imagination where a craftsman gives expression to his or her thoughts. For example, in a painting, we can draw whatever the ideas or imagination comes in our mind, and that ideas or imagination we can draw on the paper with the help of colors and pencils. So Indian handicrafts are exquisite and of spell boundary variety. They come in a vibrant color and designs. We have various types of. So there are 5 handicrafts is given in this exercise. That is jewelry, furniture, woven embroidery garments, marble handicrafts, and leather work. If you visited the craft market in our Vidyanagar, so in that you will see the various types of handicrafts in various designs. Okay, so let's study the chapter number 34. That is world of newspapers. Now we have various types of language like Gujarati, Bengali, Tamil, Hindi, English. Okay, English में भी varieties आती है. So invention of printing machine by Johannes Gutenberg brought about the revolution in the field of print media. In this chapter you have to match the column with A and B. ओके, द कॉलम ए में वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर के नाम दिए हैं और इन विच कंट्री द न्यूज़पेपर आर पब्लिश. ओके, सो दैट यू हैव टू मैच कॉलम ए विथ कॉलम बी. नाउ नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 35, स्पोर्ट्स डिस्पोरा. Now it is the information regarding the various sports person in the various field according to the various countries. So you have to identify the sports person. There are total 6 sports person is given. Now chapter number 36 is about the great scientist. Now all the scientists have invented different things which are very useful in our day-to-day life, like electricity, then telephone, etc. Okay, so here the certain scientist given, and you have to write down the name and one that you have to identify the clues. Now chapter number 37, that is the units. As you all know, we in a science we have varieties of terminology in physics and chemistry. So all the terminology have various unit. For example, if there is a mass, okay, that mass always weighted in a kilogram or a gram. If there is a liquid, then it will be weighted in the milliliter and liter, either kiloliter. So here that kind of so there are certain words are given, that is and that units you have to measure in the international system of unit, consist of a set of units which are accepted throughout the world. Okay, astronomical distance, which is astronomical distance, it is distance which is measured in the space, that is called the astronomical distance. Then the distance traveled by a ship or aircraft in the air. Okay, then battery charge, electricity energy, conventional electrical unit, luminous intensity, intensity of sound, and quantity of heat. These are the units, and you have to find out from the given option. There are 4 various options given, and select the correct one. Okay, now here this is the end of half of the chapter, that is till 37. After 37 number chapter, you will get the model test paper in your textbook. You have to solve it. Okay, so we will meet in our next class. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.